Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre and today I'm going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Truro Solar Motion Lights. Let's get going. So the Truro Solar Motion Light is made from a high quality stainless steel. We also have the Anthracite addition to the Truro Solar Motion Light. Let's find out what's in these boxes. So they both come with some screws to attach it to a wall or a fence. Then we've got the light itself and some instructions. So interestingly, these motion lights give off twice the amount of lumens that the regular Truros do. This is because they're motion censored, so all of the energy gets stored and it's able to release in short bursts. So installing the light is very easy. It's a matter of taking the back out, screwing this part into the fence or the wall, popping the light back in, and securing it. The way you turn on these lights is no different to the regular Truros. It's a matter of unscrewing the bottom, and there's just an on and off switch for you to press. Now again, these lights have a dusk sensor on the solar panel, which means that they'll only start working once a certain amount of darkness is detected, making them perfect for evening and nighttime use. Once you've left them in the sun for a day or two to fully charge, you can get up to 500 motion activations on one single charge. So the beauty of these lights is that they are so easy to install. There's no faff with mains cables, and once you've purchased them, they're not going to cost you a penny to run. This weather-resistant stainless steel is going to give you a long-lasting contemporary look for your garden. Or if you'd like to go more modern, try the dark grey Anthracite. Both lights are incredibly bright and they work fantastically. Now, if you have any questions regarding these products, please make sure just to comment it down below and we will get back to you with the answers. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.